Imagine waking in your bed one morning, heart pounding, drenched in sweat. You remember only the thunderous screech of metal and shattering glass. A routine commute derailed in an instant. You should be dead. Yet here you are, blinking in the early light, alive against all odds. What if those miraculous narrow escapes weren't random strokes of luck? What if they were quantum lifelines reshaping reality around your survival? What if your consciousness never truly ends, only shifts into an alternate branch where you live on? This is the terrifying essence of quantum immortality. The unsettling possibility that from your perspective, you never experience death. Today, we'll trace this idea from the quantum world's bizarre foundations, through the many worlds interpretation, to the profound psychological and philosophical implications that can leave your mind reeling. Close your eyes and recall an incident when death seemed certain. A medical crisis, a heart stopped for a heartbeat too long. A sudden fall from great height. A door you thought locked but wasn't. That instant when time stretched. Your mind whispered, "This is it." Most label these brushes with oblivion as miracles or sheer luck. But what if they signal something deeper? What if your awareness always continues in the strands of reality where you survive? If that notion chills you, you're not alone. Many who encounter this theory find their perception of life irrevocably altered. To grasp quantum immortality, we must first understand superposition. In the quantum realm, particles exist in multiple states at once. An electron can spin both up and down. A photon travels down two paths at the same time. These are not metaphors, they're verified realities revealed by the double-slit experiment and countless labs worldwide. Place detectors at the slits and the interference pattern vanishes. Suddenly the photon picks a single path. Simply observing forces reality to choose. Observation becomes participation. Mini-hook. Imagine every choice you make rippling back to this strange principle. Every moment a superposition until you look, deciding between countless lives. Erwin Schrödinger's thought experiment lays bare the horror. A cat sealed in a box with deadly poison linked to a random quantum event becomes both alive and dead until you peek inside. Two realities coexist in mathematical superposition. One with purring feline life, the other with silent death. No one argues a cat literally occupies both states at once. Yet quantum mechanics demands that, until observed, the system retains all possibilities. Who, or what, counts as an observer? Does reality wait for human eyes? Or does every interaction serve as measurement? Mini-hook. If you can't trust whether a cat is alive until you look, how can you trust your own fate? In 1957, Hugh Everett proposed a radical escape from collapse. Every quantum event splits the universe. When the atom in Schrödinger's box decays or not, the cosmos branches. One universe holds a living cat, another a dead one. Both branches are equally real, eternally diverging. Translate that to your life. Every decision, every quantum fluctuation births new realities. Worlds multiply with each heartbeat. One where you answered yes, another where you said no. One where you survived a gunshot, another where you did not. Countless parallel worlds fan out in a cosmic fractal. Some physicists embrace it for its mathematical elegance. Others recoil at its seemingly infinite complexity. Mini-hook. Picture a cosmic forest of realities branching with each breath. Each branch a world where you might live or die. Now, merge many worlds with consciousness. If every outcome exists somewhere, then for any lethal event, there will be at least one branch where you survive. Quantum immortality argues your awareness follows those survival strands. Picture that near-fatal car crash. In some branches, the collision proved fatal. In others, a series of improbable coincidences, an extra second's delay. A twist of the wheel carried you through. According to the theory, your consciousness persists in those minuscule slivers of reality where the improbable happens. You awaken again and again, in universes that all share one trait: you are still alive. Mini-hook, every brush with death becomes a quantum gateway, funneling your awareness into the narrowest corridor of survival. What psychological toll might endless survival exact? No finite endpoint offers relief. No final silence. Only an infinite procession of improbable rescues. Many report drowning in existential dread. The comfort of mortality vanishes, replaced by relentless continuation. If death loses its finality, urgency erodes. Time stretches into infinity with no horizon. Does purpose dissolve when life never ends? Recall moments when reality felt fragile, déjà vu spiking, memory gaps widening. Psychologists label this depersonalization and derealization. Under existential stress, the mind strips away emotional color. The world turns dreamlike, self feels alien. Anxiety spirals as pattern-seeking instincts latch onto every coincidence. Mini-hook, could your next chill of déjà vu be a distant echo from a branch now lost? Could every glitch in memory signal a swerving path through alternate realities? Underlying it all is the gaping unknown of consciousness itself. Neuroscience maps firing neurons and dissects circuits, yet can't explain why experience exists. Why does seeing red feel like something? Why is there a you inside the body observing reality? Philosophers call this the hard problem of consciousness. We have no theory to explain how matter gives rise to subjective awareness. Without understanding consciousness's nature, speculations about its quantum continuity remain ungrounded. If consciousness remains unexplained, perhaps it does drift across universes, guided by survival probabilities. Mini-hook, when the greatest mystery in science meets the strangest theories of physics, the mind trembles at what might lie beyond. Infinity petrifies the human psyche. Our brains evolved under the shadow of finite lifespans, limited resources, and bounded horizons. Death provides structure, urgency, and meaning. Without it, existence threatens to expand into an endless void. Quantum immortality offers infinite lifelines, yet strips away closure. No finale. No rest. Just relentless extrapolation of improbable survival across an unbounded multiverse. What becomes of identity when you fragment into infinite versions? Can sanity endure within endless, unlikely continuations? Or does consciousness eventually fracture, becoming unrecognizable to its original self? Mini-hook, imagine waking solo in a world stripped of time's boundary, where death never claims you, and reality itself keeps splitting. As our journey through quantum paradox and existential horror reaches its close, we remain suspended between awe and dread. Quantum immortality is neither proven science nor comforting speculation. It dwells in the space where our greatest unknowns converge, the ultimate nature of reality and the essence of consciousness. You may dismiss it as intellectual fancy, or you may feel its unsettling pull in every close call you've ever survived. If your memory survives, you must reckon with these questions. What if every near-death experience was more than luck, proof of a branching lifeline you inhabit? What if déjà vu and fleeting glimmers of disconnection are echoes of realities you once traversed? What if consciousness truly cannot experience non-existence, only resiliently persists? We have no definitive answers. Yet the power of this theory lies in its resistance to disproof. You can never observe your own death, only the continuation of awareness. Quantum immortality stands as one of the most disturbing thought experiments to emerge from modern physics. It merges rigorous scientific ideas with deep existential fear. It forces us to revisit our most basic assumptions about life, death, and the mind. Does infinite existence offer salvation, or does it become an unbearable sentence? Is oblivion more merciful than unending survival? And how does our tenuous grasp on reality hold up? When physics suggests everything might be far stranger than we dare believe. For now, the questions remain open. Our understanding of quantum mechanics continues expanding, and neuroscience inches toward unraveling consciousness's mysteries. But until those secrets unfold, theories like quantum immortality will continue haunting curious minds. If these unsettling ideas resonate or terrify you, share your reflections below. Tell us, would you choose eternal continuity, or accept the finality of an ending? And what does your choice reveal about the deepest fears hidden within us all? Because perhaps the most profound horror of quantum immortality is discovering how fragile our certainty truly is. The ground beneath our reality might be shifting with every thought, and the final refuge of death may not be a refuge at all. Let us know where you stand in the comments below. And that is possibility. Quantum immortality irresistibly plausible.